Good morning, class 9. Again, today we will be talking about time zone. Okay, what is time zone? Time zone is a region more or less that is bounded by lines of longitude that has a uniform standard time, that is known as prime meridian that GMT, and for India it is IST. Now, time zones was standardized in 1884, where a prime meridian conference was held in Washington, and there a longitude have been selected as 0 degree, which is in Greenwich, and a set of 24 time zones based on prime meridian spacing about 15 degree longitude apart was done. Thus, time zone is the division generally represented by 15 degree longitude. Countries which have vast extension east-west, like Russia, Canada, USA, they have several time zones. Russia have 11, USA have 5, Australia have 3 time zones. Now, local time. What is local time? Local time is the time that is found from the midday sun. Now, how it is calculated? It is calculated by the sun's vertical position at noon. See, this is sunrise. Okay, now as it goes up, here you see it is straight, it is noon. That means sun is always at a 90 degree angle from the rising position. If we see, because we know at noon the sun is above our head. So, calculated according to the position of the sun, that is 12 o'clock in noon it occurs at different time at different longitude. When it is 12 o'clock noon in Kolkata, Delhi, it will be 44 minutes remaining, because if this is Kolkata, it is Delhi, so from here to here it will take 44 minutes 12 seconds to come as 12 o'clock, as it lies in the west of Calcutta. Okay. Now, for each degree of longitude, the time difference is 4 minutes, and for once again the time difference is 4 seconds. Now, therefore, difference of, if the Kolkata is located at 88 degree 24 and Delhi at 77.12, so it is 11 degree 12. We have time difference of 44. 11 into 4, 44, and 12 into 4 is 48 seconds. So this is how the difference has been calculated. Okay, AM, PM. AM stands for midnight till before 12 noon in the next day. It is called anti-meridian, and before noon it is PM. Time from noon till before midnight of the day, it is known as post-meridian or afternoon. Now, standard time. What is standard time? Local time of different meridians is different is different. None can do work together if there is difference in time. So, in order to avoid difficulties, a uniform time has been selected for a country. It is generally taken from the central meridian of that entire country. Thus is known as standard meridian, or is a uniform time selected for all places of a country. Okay, Indian Standard Time. So here the Indian Standard Time, the East Meridian passes from central part of the country near Allahabad, and it has been taken as a standard time for the whole country. It is known as Indian Standard Time, IST. It is ahead from Greenwich time. It is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, it is the local prime of time of prime meridian and the at the Royal Astronomical Observatory in Greenwich, London, which is near London. It is the standard time of England. It is also known as the universal time. The longitude of the place when a place can be determined with the help of difference between the local time of the Greenwich time. And to keep an accurate time, there is a watch named chronometer which denotes the Greenwich time. Okay, so this much I am keeping. Next we will read it in the next class.